Welcome back. You're watching The Money Show, and now we focus on a rising trend in healthcare that could hit your wallet hard. Now, unless you're prepared for it. Imagine this: a doctor says your father needs urgent treatment, but not in a hospital. A nurse comes home, oxygen is set up, injections, monitoring regular checkups, all at home. The treatment happens, but when the bill is submitted to your insurer, the claim is rejected. Why? Because your policy may not cover home care treatment. Yes, most people don't know this, but not all health insurance plans cover medical treatment at home, even when prescribed by a doctor. So today on The Money Show, we ask what exactly is home care insurance, what condition must be met for your claim to be accepted, what are the most common reasons insurers deny home care claims, and how can you make sure your family is protected whether the treatment is in a hospital or in a living room. So before you assume you're covered, let's understand the fine print. And to help us with all of this today, we have Amarnath Saxena, CTO Commercial, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Hi, good evening, and welcome to the show. I really want to understand now, a lot of time home care treatment or coverage is a part of your health insurance policy. But many a time when you are buying a health insurance policy, you do not land up asking this question to the person you are buying it from. What will be the right way to figure out whether your health insurance policy has a home care treatment coverage or not?
First of all, thanks Kavita and ET Now for inviting me in this session. It's really a pleasure to elaborate on a topic which is close to many families. Health insurance is a subject which touches the heart of many families, and amongst many questions, I say home treatment is something which is always talked upon. So basically, Kavita, to clarify this thing, I would like to first elaborate how the home treatment are different for different cases. So basically, there are two types of home treatments. One is called home care. Home care, as it is appearing now in your screen also. Home care is something which is given for the mild illness. The customer, the patient, he decides as per the comfort and convenience, calls up the doctor. Sometimes, does it takes care under the nursing agencies as well. Sometimes he calls for the diagnostics. These kind of treatments are forming part of home treatment. Home, and this is part of the home care. While there is another segment which is called domiciliary treatment, which is just like treatment in the hospital. Now, so when the person is required to be treated in hospital but not getting treated in hospital because of his critical condition, maybe he is too frail to be transferred to the hospital. Now, he requires ICU, he requires HCU, he requires oxygen, he requires 24 by 7 treatment, but he
So
is not able to be transferred to the
I just
hospital.
want to understand that, we're talking about coverage that really covers consultation fees, nursing care, medication, diagnostic test, etc. Does it come with an extra cost, or is the coverage amount that you've really opted for
Yeah,
when you're buying a health insurance?
So for the treatment, home care treatment, which is mild in nature, is not part of the health insurance policies. No, what is covered in health insurance policy is domiciliary health treatment, which is required, which is at par with the treatment at hospital, but is being given because of the certain conditions of the patient or non-availability of bed. Like if you recall the COVID time when home care was given, because rooms were not available, beds were not available in the hospital. In such situation, insurance policy covers domiciliary hospitalization. However, this home care is still evolving and is not part of the uh, health insurance policies. Some of the policies are giving additional cover for nursing treatment at home add-on, but otherwise home care is still not completely stitched to the health insurance policy.
Rider which is possible to buy as an add-on in your health insurance, is that possible?
Yeah, yeah, that is what I'm saying. That in certain
Okay,
no
so
agencies, some agencies are
how is
providing
that
this.
right? So that rider, for if you're buying that, if you want an added coverage, what should be your coverage amount? Or if you already have a base plan, what should
Yeah.
be your coverage amount if you're buying an extra coverage for home care?
Yeah, so this is again dependent on individuals, like the condition of the individuals. How are they working? How is the family size? What is that they intend to cover? No, and accordingly they can decide the limit for which the add-on is required. No,
Right. So
otherwise
that
for
depends
the
on your individual
domiciliary,
needs. Right. That
yeah.
depends on the individual needs. But I also want to understand, this is a coverage that you need to buy initially. You cannot be buying it when you're prescribed a home care. Is that right? Or can we do that as well?
Yeah, so the coverage will be taken initially only and not at the time of the need.
What are the grounds for rejection over here?
So rejection typically, if it is not being prescribed by the doctor, that is the first thing, that any treatment is should be prescribed by the doctor, and minimum 3 days care is required in the hospital. If the treatment is for less than 3 days, then domiciliary care cannot be considered in insurance policy.
All right, so that was everything that we need to know about home care insurance. Thank you so much for taking time out and helping our viewers understand this very crucial aspect of their health insurance coverage. And for
Thank
our
you so much.
viewers, just in case you want to ask us anything about your insurance plans, you can do that, be it life insurance, health insurance, or any aspect of insurance that you have a doubt or need any recommendation from our experts. You can send across your questions on our WhatsApp number 8657974571, and the email ID is themoneyshow@etnow.tv. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.